Yes, next topic we are going to see is about vibrations in the air column. Yes, so we are going to consider an air column or any instrument in that how the vibrations happens in this. Okay, so that is what we are going to see. There are two types of instrument we are going to see. Okay, first one is closed organ pipe and the second one is open organ pipe. Yes, so in closed organ pipe we'll be considering one end to be closed, and in open organ pipe we'll be considering both the ends are open. Okay, so closed organ pipe, one end to be closed, open organ pipe, both the ends open. So that is what we are going to consider in this. And the main thing we have to know here is always that the closed end will be forming with the nodes. Okay, and at the open end will be forming with the antinodes. Yes, we have seen already with the nodes and antinodes, is it not? So this is a stationary wave. In this stationary wave, so these are all said to be what? Nodes, and the maximum displacement are all said to be what? Antinodes. Then next is we have to know with the measurement between any two nodes or any two antinodes. Okay, the distance is lambda by 2. Yes, same way here also lambda by 2. And the next is one node and one antinode. Yes, that distance is lambda by 4. Yes, here also when you see this is one antinode and this is one node, and so this distance is again what? Lambda by 4. So node and a node அப்படினாலோ அல்லது antinode and antinode அப்படினாலோ அதோட distance என்னதுன்னா lambda by 2. Okay, so same thing, node antinode அப்படின்னா lambda by 2. அதுவே node and antinode அப்படினாலோ அல்லது antinode and node அப்படினாலோ distance is lambda by 4. Yes, clear? So let us see with this. First, musical instruments like flute, clarinet, nadaswaram, etc. are known as wind instruments. And instruments பேர் எல்லாமே என்ன சொல்றோம்னா wind instruments அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். They work on the principle of vibrations of air column. ஸோ என்ன பிரின்சிபலில் ஒர்க் ஆகுதுன்னா வைப்ரேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஏர் காலம் அப்படின்ற பிரின்சிபல். தி சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் விண்ட் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் இஸ் அன் ஆர்கன் பைப். ஸோ ஒரு ஆர்கன் பைப் தான் சிம்பிளஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட். இட் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் வுடன் ஆர் மெட்டல் பைப் விச் ப்ரொடியூசஸ் மியூசிக்கல் சவுண்ட். ஸோ உடனில் இருக்கலாம், அப்படி இல்லைனா மெட்டல் பைப்பில் இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் அது என்ன ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது? ஒரு மியூசிக்கல் சவுண்டை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் flute, clarinet, nadaswaram are the organ pipes. Organ pipes are classified into two types. I told you already, they are closed organ pipe and open organ pipe. Okay, so first we are going to see with the closed organ pipe. So it is a pipe with one end closed and other end open. Okay, so it is a pipe with one end closed and the other end open. If one end is closed, the wave is reflected at 180 degree out of phase. Thus, there is no displacement of the particle at the closed end. So, closed end la enna irukadu? Displacement irukadu. அதனால இங்க என்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்னா நோட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். அதுவே நம்மளுக்கு ஓப்பன் எண்ட்ல என்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஆன்டி நோட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஓகே, கன்சிடர் தட் one node and one antinode. We are considering only with one node and one antinode அப்படின்னா then the wave formed in this is given in this way. Okay, so we know already the distance between a node and antinode, it is what? Lambda by 4, is it not? So node and antinode, so it is lambda by 4. So L we are taking as lambda by 4. From this we need the value of lambda alone, so we are taking this as lambda is equal to 4L. Okay, and we know the formula for F, which is F is equal to V divided by lambda. So V divided by lambda we are writing as 4L. So this is said to be the fundamental node. Okay, so F1 which is equal to V by 4L, that is called as what? Fundamental node. Okay, then we have also with a higher frequency and that are called as overtones. Okay, so if we see with a higher frequency, those things are called as what? Overtones. So same way we are also going to consider with this closed organ pipe. So first condition என்ன பார்த்தோம்? ஒரு node ஒரு antinode. Okay, second condition is two antinodes. Third condition is three antinodes. Okay, so if you are going to form with the two antinodes, it forms in this way. Okay, then three nodes, and so it is forming like this way. Okay, so இது first one நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துட்டோம். The second and third conditions, we are going to see it now. Okay, so first with the second condition, so this is the second mode of vibration. So in second mode of vibration, we have the two notes. So two notes, so it is forming in this way here. ஸோ இதில் நம்ம டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மெஷர் பண்ணும்போது இது ரெண்டாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நோட் அண்ட் நோட் அப்படின்னு ஒன்று ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நோட் அண்ட் ஆன்டி நோட் அப்படின்னு ஒன்று ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் நோட் அண்ட் நோட் இஸ் இட் இஸ் lambda by 2. ஓகே, node and antinode is it is lambda by 4. Okay, so now if you are seeing with a full measurement, we get lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2. Okay, so the LCM is what? 4. So we get lambda plus, here we'll be writing as 2 lambda. So lambda plus 2 lambda is what? 3 lambda. So we get 3 lambda by 4. So that is the length we are taking. So length L is equal to 3 lambda by 4. From this we need the value of lambda abdina 3 lambda by 4. Okay, so take this 4 this side. So we get 4L which is equal to 3 lambda. Bring this 3 down. So we get 4L divided by 3 which is equal to lambda. So we have got the value of lambda here. Next is we have to find the frequency. Frequency, the formula is what? V divided by lambda. And so we know V as it is. Lambda is what? 4L divided by 3. So divided by 3 and numerator kondu petana we get 3V divided by 4L. Already we know F1 is equal to, ipada F1 அப்படின்ற value பார்த்தோம். F1 is equal to what? V divided by 4L. Okay, so now instead of this V divided by 4L we are writing as F1 here. So we get 3 into F1. So F2 is equal to 3 into F1. So this is called as a first overtone or third harmonic. Okay, so this is called as what? First overtone or third harmonic. Yes, clear? Same way we are going to write it for the next one. So next is we are going to consider with the 3 notes. Okay, so consider with a closed pipe. In that we are going to consider with the 3 notes and we'll be forming the wave. Here how we can divide is, divide this into 3 parts. Okay, first node and a node, again node and a node, node and an antinode. So node and antinode is what? Lambda by 4. This is what? Lambda by 2. Again this is lambda by 2. Okay, so we have to add all these 3. So we get lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. So if we take the LCM here we get 4 and this lambda as it is plus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So we get 5 lambda by 4. Okay, so this is the value of L. So L is equal to 5 lambda 3 divided by 4 and we know F is equal to what? V divided by lambda 3. From this we have to get the value of lambda 3. So lambda 3 which is equal to 4 in the side kondu poirom. So we get 4L divided by 5. Okay, so this value of lambda 3 we are going to substitute it here. So we get V divided by 4L divided by 5 numerator poidum. And already we know what is F1. F1 is equal to V divided by 4L. So in the V divided by 4L க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடுறோம்? F1 போடுறோம். So it is 5F1. So this is what? F3. So F3 is equal to 5F1. F2 is equal to another 3F1. Okay, F3 we get it as 5F1. And so when you see here, first one is F1 and the second one is F2, that is given by 3F1 and the third one is F3, that is given by what? 5F1. So it is of the order of 1, 3, 5. So we can write it as 1 is to 3 is to 5. So these are the frequency ranges. Yes, clear? Same way if you are writing for open organ pipe. So this is open organ pipe. So open organ pipe which is open at both the ends. Okay, and so open at both the ends na enga node form aguna, node will be formed at the center. Okay, so same as the first condition, one node and the next one is 2 nodes and the next one is 3 nodes. So this is how it will be formed. So So one node is like this, okay, two nodes and three nodes have with all this three, and we are going to find first L இருந்து lambda கண்டுபிடிப்போம், lambda இருந்து F. So these are the things we are going to find, okay. So first consider with the first condition. So only one node is formed, yes, and it will be forming like this, okay. And so it is the distance between any two antinode, or antinode or antinode. So upper distance என்னது lambda by 2. So we are taking L is equal to what? Lambda by 2. So lambda மட்டும் வேணும்னா this is equal to what? 2L, and we know F is equal to what? V divided by lambda, okay. So lambda is equal to 2L, so F is equal to V divided by 2L. So this is called as a fundamental node. This is F1. So F1 is equal to V divided by 2L, okay. Next is we are going to consider for two nodes, yes. So consider with the two nodes, and so open end antinodes are formed, yes. So this can be divided into two now. So this and this, okay. This is what? One antinode and one antinode. Again, one antinode and antinode. So it is lambda by 2, and this is again lambda by 2. So this can be written as lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. So if you add this, we get 2 lambda divided by 2. So this get cancelled. So we get L, which is equal to lambda 2. Yes. And what is the formula for F? F is equal to V divided by lambda. Okay. So this is lambda. Lambda is equal to what? L. And so V divided by L. V divided by L, okay. And comparing this and this, we get this we are writing as F2. So F2 can be found out, that is equal to 2 into F1, okay. So ஏன்னா இதில் 2 ஆல் multiply and divide பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, okay, multiply and divide பண்ணோம்னா V by 12 can be written as what? F1, okay. So F2 is equal to 2 into F1, okay. So this is for the second case, yes, clear. Then if you consider with the third one, so third case is we have the three nodes. So it forms like this, always open end antinodes, okay. So this we are going to split it in this way, yes. So this is node and an antinode, antinode and antinode, and again antinode and antinode, okay. So this can be written as lambda by 2, again this is lambda by 2, again this is also lambda by 2. So if you add this, we get 3 lambda by 2. So we get L is equal to 3 lambda by 2, yes. Next is from this, if we want value of lambda, we get 2L divided by 3. So lambda is equal to 2L divided by 3, yes. Then what is the formula for F? F is equal to V divided by lambda, which is equal to V divided by 2L divided by 3 மேலே கொண்டு போய்ட்றோம். And already what is F1 is equal to V divided by 2L. So this V by 2L can be written as what? F1, and so we get 3 into F1, okay. So F3 is equal to 3 F1, okay. So first value we are getting as F1, second value which is F2, that we are getting as 2 into F1, then third value F3, that we are getting as 3 into F1. So it is of the order of 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4, okay. So these are the orders for the open organ pipe, okay. Same way for the closed organ pipe, we got the equation as 1 is to 3 is to 5. They are in the odd ratio, okay. This is in the normal ratio, yes, clear with this, okay. Thank you. Next is the resonance air column apparatus. This is also the application of vibrations of the air column. So the resonance air column apparatus is one of the simplest techniques to measure the speed of the sound in the air at room temperature. So what all it consists of is, it consists of cylindrical glass tube of 1 meter. So this is a cylindrical glass tube, this is of 1 meter, and water reservoir through a rubber tube. So this is a water reservoir, and this is connected through the rubber tube here. The cylindrical tube is mounted on the vertical stand with a scale. So this is a cylindrical tube, this is mounted with the help of a stand, and there is also a scale which is used to measure here. Tube is partially filled with water. So this tube, we are going to consider that it is going to be partially filled with water, and it can be adjusted by raising or lowering the reservoir. So in the side la reservoir இருக்கு. So அந்த reservoir raise and lower பண்றது மூலமா இந்த water வந்து adjust பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay. Now let us consider that first only that is, this is considered to be the open end in this tube, and this is a water level. So in the water level என்னவா consider பண்ணிக்கிறோம்னா ஒரு closed end. So closed organ pipe consider பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So இந்த closed organ pipe ல first ஒரே ஒரு antinodes form ஆனதா consider பண்ணிப்போம். Okay. So next is consider that two nodes are formed. Okay. So it is forming in this way. Yes. So இதோட length என்ன வரும்? It is between a node and antinode. So it is what? Lambda by 4. So L1 is equal to lambda by 4. Okay. Next is we have this as 2. Okay. So this is what? This is lambda by 4 and this is lambda by 2. Okay. So if you add this, we get 3 lambda by 4. That gives the value of L2. Okay. So L2 is equal to 3 lambda by 4. L1 is equal to lambda by 4. Yes. And here we are going to have a term. That term is called as E. What is E is? E is said to be the N correction. So what is meant by N correction அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா நம்ம இவ்வளோ நேரமா ஓப்பன் ஆர்கன் பைப்லையும் சரி க்ளோஸ்ட் ஆர்கன் பைப்லையும் என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த ஓப்பன் எண்டில் ஆன்டினோட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் அப்படின்றத பார்த்துட்டோம் இல்லையா. இட்ஸ் நாட் தட் எக்ஸாக்டாக இந்த இடத்துல தான் ஆன்டினோட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுன்றது இல்லை, கொஞ்சம் மேலேயோ இல்லை கொஞ்சம் கீழேயோ கூட இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா ஒரு என் கரெக்ஷன் அப்படின்ற டேர்ம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். So அதனால இந்த டேர்ம்ல என்ன பண்றோம்னா we are going to add with the n correction here. So we get L1 plus E. Same way in this also we are going to add with the n correction. So L2 plus E. So now taking with these two equations, okay. So ரெண்டு சைடும் minus பண்றோம். Okay. So if you minus, we get 3 by 4 lambda minus 1 by 4 lambda, which is equal to L2 plus E minus L1 plus E. Okay. 3 minus 1, which is 2, divided by 4 into lambda. Okay. So if you cancel this, we get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 lambda, which is equal to, in this we get L2 plus E minus L1. If you multiply this minus inside, so minus E. Okay. So plus E minus E get cancelled. So we get L2 minus L1 alone. So L2 minus L1 can be written as change in the length. So that is del L. Okay. So del L, which is equal to what? Lambda divided by 2. இதில் இந்த lambda வேணும் அப்படின்னா 2 we are bringing this side, so it is 2 into del L. Okay. So lambda is equal to 2 into del L. Next is we know the formula for frequency. F is equal to V divided by lambda. From this, V is equal to what? F into lambda. We are bringing this side. Okay. So lambda is equal to what? 2 into del L. So அந்த value எழுதிறோம். Okay. So we get the value of V as well as lambda. Yes. The next is very important thing. We are going to find the value of N correction. That N correction we are going to find using these two formulas. Okay. So using these two equations, we are going to find this N correction. Right with the first equation here, 3 by 4 lambda, which is equal to L2 plus E. Then second equation, 1 by 4 lambda, which is equal to L1 plus E. Now this equation we are going to multiply by 3. So we get 3 by 4 lambda, which is equal to 3L1 plus 3E. Okay. Now write this equation as it is, 3 by 4 lambda, which is equal to L2 plus E. Now write this equation here. So 3 by 4 lambda, which is equal to 3L1 plus 3E. Yes. Now write minus here and cancelling with this term fully. So this we get 0, which is equal to, this side we get it as L2 minus 3L1. So L2 minus 3L1. This is E minus 3E. So we get minus 2E. Okay. So the equation which we got here is L2 minus 3L1 minus 2E, which is equal to 0. Yes. Bring this 2E this side. Okay. So we get L2 minus 3L1 is equal to minus 2E. If you are bringing this side, that becomes as plus 2E. Okay. Now, from this, we need the value of E alone, bringing this 2 down. So, we get L2 minus 3L1 divided by 2. Okay. So, this is the value of E we have got. Okay. From this equation, we have to find, and in your book it is given only just with this value alone. Okay. So, these steps are not given, just refer to this. Yes. Clear with this air column apparatus. Okay. Thank you.